Let's see what's going on down there.
Well. Overhaul. Again, by that frog.
It's not my fault, Sugar Rocky. He just outsmarted me this time.
Outsmarted you say? That's your excuse. You're about to meet your end.
Please, have mercy.
Sorry, all out of mercy. Farewell, old friend.
He's gone. He was a good man.
Let's see what this says. Shigaraki, you are a complete idiot. Deleting one of your servants gave me the advantage. The more villains you delete, the more advantage it will give me. After the last villain you delete, All Might will smash you out of existence for good. Think about it. Don't like what I'm trying to tell you? Then come find me. From Daro. P.S. As you are reading this, I heard everything. What was that? Oh, it was Daro. Daro!
Deku?
Yeah? I'm here.
They deleted Overhaul. They read the message that I sent down to them, and they knew. And I did a little croak. They knew that was me. Oh my god! I don't know if that'll be the last that we see.
Well, looks like we have the advantage now.
I don't know if that'll be the last we see him.
Well, I mean, Overhaul is just gone, so...
Alright. Might as well get to bed. It's already past my bedtime.
Yeah, same.
How about a hug? Overhaul's gone.
Hug.
Plus Ultra.
Plus Ultra.